Yes, so it is visible to you all. Slide is visible. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So next is a very important reaction again. Again, very important reaction is the Hake reaction. This reaction is also catalyzed by palladium catalyst, and again it involves the carbon-carbon coupling or carbon-carbon bond formation between what? That is very important. So like all reactions, aryl halide is our common. Aryl or vinyl, no problem. याद रखना है. Aryl and vinyl halides are our common reactants, as I told you already. Aryl halide or vinyl halides are our common reactants. Okay? Yes, remember. We are just changing its partners. We are just changing its partner. That's all. So if partner changes, name changes. See now. What is a part another, or we can say reagents बोल सकते हैं, reactants or reagents, or reactant 1, reactant 2. We can call it as a reagent. What is the reagent of the Hake? Activated alkenes. What is activated alkenes? इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अगर अटैच्ड है अल्कीन को, और एज एक्टिवेटेड alkene. If electron withdrawing group is attached to alkene, that is called as activated alkene. So this is the Hake reaction which takes place between the aryl halides and activated alkenes. So be clear with this. Catalyst is same, aryl halide is same, only one reactant is going to change, and based on that reactant, name reaction is also changed. So activated alkene is what about the Hake reaction. And base is also always there, catalyst is always there, base is always there. Okay, catalyst is always there, base is always there. So this is the catalyst and base are there. This reaction is called as Hake reaction. So statement is what? The palladium catalyzed carbon-carbon coupling between aryl halide or vinyl halides and activated alkenes in the presence of base is referred as Hake reaction. So you got it? There are 4 points. aryl halide है, activated alkene है, third point is base है, and fourth point is what? The catalyst, palladium catalyst. Okay, so remember this one. And you should know Hake reactions is widely used. Tremendous applications are available right from pharmaceutical industry, drug chemistry research, medicinal chemistry research, to the solar system or material sciences. You see the reaction. तो इसमें हुआ क्या देखिए, this halogen and the terminal hydrogen. This is not terminal, it is a non-terminal hydrogen. This is not this. This is not okay. So terminal hydrogen, but कौन सा trans terminal? You see, it's trans to this group. We can say trans product is formed is a major. Why? Because of less steric crowding or less steric hindrance. See the very interesting mechanism. Mechanism is very interesting. You see, this is what our palladium catalyst, which is in zero oxidation state. Okay, this react with same. I have told you similar pattern of mechanism will be observed here, but you must remember, you must memorize the reagent number 2 or reactor number 2, which is reacting with aryl halide. So first case में क्या होता है? Aryl halide insertion, we can say oxidative addition, you see, and this become +2. The OS of this palladium become +2. You see. Further, this alkenes comes in interaction with the surface of this palladium. You can see this arrow, black arrow, shows that this is in the what we say interaction or adsorption reaction. We can say adsorption with the palladium. We can see here. Then what happened here? You see bond formation takes place. the bond formation takes place. But how? With the transfer of this aryl group. You see this bond, you see you focus, you see, you can zoom in your mobile also. ये जो bond है, this bond migrate at this position which is less crowding. That is a terminal position. This bond migrate at less crowding. You see, this is a terminal position, and therefore this palladium vacancy created. Hence, there is a formation of bond with the other carbon of the alkene. You get it? You see, ligand is very large. This triphenylphosphine is a very excellent ligand here, which provide the surface activity, or we can say more surface to this iron. So once this migrate here, you can see this migrated part attach here, double bond opens and the double bond donate electron to this palladium, and you can see. So this is a very crucial step. This step is a very crucial step for you. Okay, very crucial step. Very crucial. So once you understand this, remaining all reactions are very simple and straightforward. Now see this, once you got this addition of this aryl halide, then addition of this activated alkene, you will get this. Now what is that? See, very simple. Regeneration of the catalyst. How it is there? See, this bond, one of the which is of alkene bond, that bond will shift here. That bond shift here, and that bond shift here. This H, we can say that H is taken by this palladium. Means this bond takes that H. This bond takes that H. Okay, or we can say it will attach here where this bond, you see here also, you can easily available, easily visible to you, that bond. So double bond formation takes place, and like this situation will be there. Means what double bond form, this double bond form here. So I can show you for your clear understanding. Now you see here, you see ये bond जो है, this carbon H bond, this collapse like this, and double bond creation takes place. How? This bond will shift at palladium, and that later on that is given to the hydrogen. So this alkene, trans alkene, will be in association with palladium like this only. So you see, okay, like this. Means the pi electron clouds. The pi electron cloud of the pi bond is in association with the palladium. Direct bonding is not possible. Okay, direct bonding is not there. Pi electron cloud will in coordination with this palladium, as shown by this like this black arrow. This black arrow tells about the coordination of the double bond, pi bond with the palladium. And once the this comes in contact, or we can say this, once this formed, this is detached from this palladium influence and called as a reductive elimination. You can see here, and again palladium catalyst will be there, and the result in the formation of HBr minus HBr in the last stage, and again regeneration of the neutral. So see, this Hake reaction mechanism is very particular, very interesting. If you go through, and you must do practice. Without, you have to do 1 or 2 times, you have to write it. You write it. So one step, this from this B and C is very important. B and C are very important. See, easily you can do here up to this, but this aryl transfer and formation of bond with the carbon and palladium is very crucial. Then after that, loss, again regeneration of double bond. How it is there? Regeneration of double bond here. You see this bond collapse here, and that hydrogen transfer to directly to palladium. You see, and the double bond is in coordination with the palladium, and after that, there is a removal of that coupled compound. Okay, and the palladium which is having HBr result in the for loss of HBr, and again regeneration of this catalyst takes place. So you see this, it will be, if you find any point of problem here, so you can ask me. So now what is this? First step is what we can say addition reaction takes place. insertion reaction takes place. Aryl halide and react with palladium catalyst, and there is a formation of adduct, and which adduct, that adduct interacts with the alkene, and then alkene bring out the rearrangement or transfer of aryl group to the terminal carbon of alkene. Okay, and you know alkene can be non-terminal also. We will go for the example if you give. Okay, yes. So less hindered side will be preferred by the aryl group. So therefore, the less in the side, therefore it goes there, and bond formation takes place. And next crucial stage is what, the transfer of hydrogen from this alkene carbon, okay, a terminal carbon to this palladium is a very crucial step, result in the formation of the coupled compound, and which removed we get away from this palladium catalyst influence, and finally loss of HBr give the regenerated catalyst, and in this way cycle continues. Okay, fine. You see, examples are very interesting. Examples are here. One of the reactions, this paper is a published work in JACS, Journal of American Chemical Society. So I have taken this paper from there. Okay. See, very interesting examples are there. So here, this is a, what is this? This is the alkene we what we have, and aryl halide. This R can be alkyl also, no problem. And but we should know that this alkene and this aryl halide or alkyl halide coupling is nothing but a Hague reaction. So you must remember this. Okay, you must memorize with the this example, this reagent and the name. Palladium catalyzed, xanthose means the ligand, and as a base catalyzed, so potassium carbonate is the base. Water is also added. Okay, and see, duration is very long. Okay, but many scientists later they have reduced the time also, because 24 to 3 is only 2 to 3 days. So what are the product? You see, products. This is the product final. So if you see, this is what, alkyl halide. So what is alkyl halide? So this is alkyl halide. Yield is very excellent. What is EZ? Means E, trans is 20, trans is 25. So excellent. Trans is always higher compared to cis product. Okay. So remember these changes. Trans is always higher. Then here also trans is very high, 60:1 and 99. Very nice. Excellent. Okay. And what is here you see? This is what, methoxystyrene, and here we can say bromocyclohexane. You can say here halogen or any OTF you can attach here, and here also. So you should have that idea which is the alkyl halide and which is what the fine here. So I think you got it very easily. So now see, this is a very another exception case you see. So no need to get confused. So there will be some side reactions also, because chlorine is also there, and alkene is also there. So it may react same molecule, but there is a formation of product with the 82% recorded by one of the scientists. Fine. So this is another example of in the production of naproxene, it's a drug type. So nothing, very simple. This is a bromine and ethane and palladium catalyst. So it will give you the expected product. There is a carbon-carbon. Hague reaction is also what, the carbon-carbon bond formation, and this also give you the insight about how the palladium interact with the aryl halide, and alkene is the one of the reactant with this. Okay, so hope you have understand this reaction. You see the examples here. Okay, you see the examples. So I have stopped this recording.